Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Jesse Capital here, and I'm back with another video. Look, in this video, we're actually going to be talking about, getting business approval from Amazon to get wholesale pricing on a various products that they got on their site, and to get bulk discounts. Guys, I'm going to show you how I literally did it, and I'm going to show you what the site even looks like if you guys haven't already seen it already. And by the way, if you need help getting into Amazon's business website to get wholesale products and get whatever you need, contact me for that. I have entire services for that where we can go ahead and get you taken care of and go ahead and get you paid. So look, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys literally inside Amazon business website. It is incredible. I've never seen so many discounts a day in my life, but it'll be after this. Alright guys, welcome back to another great video, and in this video we're going to be talking about Amazon Business Prime, right? And what does it look like, the features of it, and how you can actually use it to scale your business with the wholesale prices, the bulk ordering, all type of discounts, guys. So let's go ahead and go through it. You see I got it pulled up here on my phone. Now guys, as you see, Amazon Business Prime, I'm on their website right now. I need to get the app. But as you see, their website has, a sleek design, right? Man, this is the business thing. And you can, and by the way, if you have a regular Amazon account, they actually give you the option to convert it over to a business Amazon account, right? So let's just see what their bulk discounts look like, right? I'm gonna type, we'll type in LED lights, LED light strips, right? So as it's pulling up, as you see, those same LED light strips, right? And we can zoom in on this. Those same LED light strips are on their regular site for like 30, 40 bucks, right? And as you see, it's like $13.98, 23,000 people order it. Man, let's type in another product. Let's type in, what's a good product?
Ring light.
Ring light. Let's see how much their ring lights are, because I know that we pay, see? First thing that pulls up, man, they got ring lights for like 40 bucks. Meanwhile, it's crazy. Before I knew about this, how to get approved and all this, we actually bought like our ring light for like 90 bucks. Or I think after tax it was like 100 or something. So as you guys see, the prices are on here. The deals are on here for whatever you need. You just have to get approved to see the inside stuff. And again, if you need that, I help with that. But yeah, this is just so cool. I was just scrolling through it the other day. Let's go to bulk discounts and see bulk ordering and see what that looks like. So this is the bulk ordering page. You come here, and it kind of moved from the mobile site. But you come here, and they actually offer you the ability to create a bulk order. So you enter the quantity, you enter the ISBN number, everything that you'll need to be able to find your products and go ahead and order in bulks. So guys, again, if you want to go in more details with this, I can't give too much away. Again, you have to get approved for a reason. But if you want to see more details and you want to get more information on how you can get your company or you can get yourself approved for Amazon Business, get bulk ordering discounts, bulk discount sites, or it might not even be Amazon Business. It might be some other entire wholesale site that you need access to. You just don't have the right documents to get approved. Come see me. I can definitely help with that. And I can grow your YouTube channel in the process. Yeah, I'm out.